Hello and welcome to the Tapkey plus Archie add-on walkthrough. So with this add-on, customers will be able to synchronize automatically the permissions on Tapkey locking systems and locks using bookings and also using planned subscriptions, which are created from the Archie administration platform where the effects are going to be visible in the tab key grants or access to locks. So let's start with the guide. So before starting with using this integration, as a customer, you need an Archie account, specifically an administrator account in Archie, and also a locking system already created in Tapkey with some locks, the locks that you will be using for the for accessing specific restricted areas, and basically with this it will be enough to start with the integration. So let's start. So the first step happens inside of Tapkey. So you need to log in into Tapkey as the owner of the locking system. In this case, we are logged in as Pulsemact, and you need to navigate to the section add-ons. In the add-ons, by default, you will not identify any add-on. We are going to explore the marketplace, and by identifying the Archie add-on, you can proceed with the connection. Here you enter your credentials into the Archie ecosystem. Which is going to create the link between both accounts. Okay. When you're already logged in to Archie, you will be requested to select the space in Archie. So in this case, we are going to select the first one, Tapkey demo, and connect. So in this step, the connection is already established between your Tapkey locking system and Archie.